Okay, hello YouTube. So we're here doing a tutorial about how to do a screen recording on a Mac. If you're not Mac, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure these programs are only accessible with a Mac, so it probably won't help you much. You're welcome to watch it, but just be warned ahead of time, you probably won't have access to these programs. So let's get right into it. You'll need to go to Finder. You'll go to, or this is the page you'll be pulled up on. You'll want to go to Applications, then search bar, type QuickTime. QuickTime, click on the applications thing, and there's QuickTime. So, it pulls this up. You'll want to go to File and New Screen Recording, but I'm already doing it so it's grayed out. So I'll just do audio recording just to show you kind of what it looks like. So it pulls up, the bar looks like this. So it gives you the record option. Once you click it, it'll say highlight part of screen that you want to record, so you click and drag whatever you want recorded. And then there's this slider which will play what it's picking up. So if you have headphones on, it's very nifty because then you can hear what's coming through, so you can tell if you need to turn up your sensitivity, which is done in system preferences, which I'll show you in just a second. So yeah, it'll play it out loud. I don't have headphones in, so I'm not going to do it, because if you do it and the microphone picks it up, it makes a super loud, squawky feedback sound. Then over here, this little arrow lets you choose the audio device that you want and the quality. For audio, I leave it on high. For my screen recordings, I put it on medium, which isn't an option here, but screen recordings I do medium simply because the videos are just big and they take a ton of time to upload. So after you're done, you hit the stop button, which same place, and then you can go to share and click where you want to share it. All mine are grayed out because I'm doing a screen recording right now, and because I haven't started the audio recording. So you just click on it and it'll take you through where you'll want to upload it. Just click on the specific place you want it. Now, the way that you mess with the microphone is you just type into the search bar, system preferences, and if I can spell right, which I can't, then just click on it and it pulls it up. You should see a screen that looks like this. If you don't, I'm not sure what the problem is. But you'll want to go to sound, and it's got 3 tabs. You'll want to be on the third one, and it gives you some options here. So it shows you the microphone you're using. I'm using the internal microphone right now just because I want everything in this video to be accessible to Macs with minimal purchases. So input volume, this is the input volume from the microphone. So if I turn it up, my voice gets louder. If I turn it down, my voice gets quieter. I'm shouting right now. So let's put it back here. Then use ambient noise reduction. That is extremely useful. It does just that, reduces ambient noise. See, if I unclick it, there's a fair amount of feedback coming through, or static rather. So let's leave that checked. Then output volume is just the output volume of the computer. That's the same thing you have with the buttons on your keyboard. So I believe that's all you need to know from there. Just minimize out of that, minimize out of that. Or no, I need that open. So there's one more program that I'm going to be showing you today. It's the iMovie program. It's a very, very useful program. Just double click on it and it pulls up. I've been doing some test runs of this, but I'll go from scratch right now. Just File, New Project, and or file, new project, and it'll pull this up. So we've got all these options. I leave mine on no theme. You can choose the others if you want, but I believe no theme works best for movies. So project name, we'll name this one screen recording. Screen recording YouTube video. And yeah, I don't mess with that stuff. And create. Maybe if I did mess with that stuff, it would make my videos upload quicker. I don't know. But I'm not going to work on that right now. So, now to get videos in here, you just click on it. I'm going to use the last video I did, which just happened to be one of my craft Let's Plays. So double click on it, highlights the entire video clip, and see the hand, click, drag, drop. And you've got the entire video. So, this is step by step how I make the videos. I mean, I leave some things pre-made, just so I don't have to do it every time, but this is how I would have made my first video. So, just do some editing to it. So, there's that pause before I actually start to do anything. So if I just click and hold until about there, hit delete, now there's like no pause before the video starts. So that's kind of nifty. You can click and drag to delete any section of the video by simply hitting the delete key after you highlight what you want to get rid of. There's another cool thing. If you slide over something you want, and let's say I want to split this thing in half. Right click, and I can hit split clip. What that does is it splits the clip. So right where it was, it now became 2 clips instead of 1. See, if I hit command, or if I hit edit, undo, it's all one video. If I hit edit, redo, it's now 2. So kind of cool. Then also something else that I use a lot is if you double click on it, it pulls up this. So right here is what I'm going to be focusing on. Speed. Some of the videos you're just not doing anything important, but you want them to see it, but you don't want to take as much time. So you just click on it, slide it, and the closer you go to the bunny, the faster that part of the video will play. The faster you go to the turtle, the slower it'll play. Right in the middle, it's normal. So let's slide it up all the way. You'll also want to change the audio to off, or else you'll have a super high squeaky voice instead of your own talking through the video. So now let's play it. It's 12 seconds and I'm just flying. So that's the change it did, whereas edit, undo, that just undid the volume, then edit, undo, change speed. So it was a, let's see, okay, there we go. It was a minute and 41 seconds, and I changed it down to 12 seconds. So yeah, that's kind of cool. And let's see, I'm missing something. Yeah, how to add in text and music. Let's add in text first. So I'll just real quick do what I do for my YouTube intros. I mean, I'll be using different text things, but it doesn't matter much. So you just click and drag, and you select the one you want over here, and then select the background that you want. I like the industrial. Why not? So we'll do a Mac test, or Mac testing screen vids. Then we'll throw in, let's put in, this one. Nice and centered. Put that one there. Sorry, my computer's going a little bit slow at the moment because I have so many things running at the same time. I guess I can exit out of that audio recording. It doesn't need to be there. And title here, with, and then the next one, let's see, let's use, dun 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 dun. We'll use, I don't see the one I wanted. So I guess we'll use, that's the one I wanted. Lens flare. This one, and we'll put my name. So, Captainzcreeper. Yeah, there we go. And you can adjust the speed of these by double clicking on it, and I usually have them be 2 seconds. And it'll change the text with it. It won't do it vice versa though. If you change the text will disappear and you'll still have a 4-minute long look at the background that you have. So this is just quicker than changing both of them, because this one, as I said, auto changes the other one, or automatically. And then we want some intro music, so click the musical note button, and I have a, let's use this one, a GarageBand video, or I can't talk, GarageBand song that I'll play for the intro. This is not the one I normally use. I just like fiddling around on GarageBand, so I'm not sure what this one is completely. So right there, we just made an intro. So I'm not sure if you heard it well, but yeah. And then we've covered the editing. I'm just going over in my head to see what I'm missing, because I know I am missing something. Something very important I need to tell you. Oh, there's 2 things. One, to actually publish your video, which is kind of important. You can go to share and then click where you want to share it and fill in your information. Once you do it once, it'll autofill some of the information, which is why I'm not doing it. It's useful for you, but not so useful for videoing. And then one of the earlier things I didn't show you is how to get videos in here. So you just go to File, Import, Movies, and you type in the name of the movie, which most screen recordings, it's just numbered, so you just look at the number of the screen recording you want to enter and search it and import. So some of these processes, they usually take about a minute. Then you go to when you go to share though, that one will take, depending on the size of the movie, some of mine take an hour, whereas shorter ones will probably be done in, I don't know. I don't want to say a number because it's so dependent on internet speed, so I guess I won't say a number. But one downside with this is you can only upload 15-minute videos. You can't go above that. From the actual screen recording app QuickTime, you can, I believe. I haven't actually tested it, but you can't from this. One downside. But I believe that covers it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope it was helpful, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. So until next time.